everyone, welcome back to Login Helps. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to help you learn how to add someone on Snapchat. You can easily add friends from the contacts in your phone or other devices on Snapchat. If the contacts you are trying to add don't have a Snapchat account, then you can invite them to create one. Keep watching the video till the end without skipping in order to learn how, and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Start by tapping open your Snapchat application. Sign into your Snapchat account if you are not, and from the camera screen of Snapchat, go to the search button at the top of the screen. You can see it at the upper left corner of the screen. Once you tap on that, you can easily go and search the name of the contact by simply typing in their name or their username, and once you do that, tap on the add button. And after you do that, you'll be able to add them as a friend on Snapchat. You can also add friends using Quick Add on Snapchat. You'll be able to see a Quick Add tab in this page. The Quick Add will help you display the friend recommendation list. The friend recommendation and Quick Add are based on who you're already friends with, who you subscribe to, and other factors. In order to add them from the Quick Add category, simply tap on the Add button at the right corner beside their username. Those are some of the ways on how to add someone on Snapchat. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.